In the previous video, I talked about how I didn't necessarily grade you on in-text citations and references or how you structure that. So that's going to be the same thing for number three, your formatting. We are following APA formatting, and so that's something to pay attention to because I talk about that in this assignment 4 overview video, where I also talked about in-text citations and references related to that. And one thing that I will say about APA formatting is like, okay, I generally look at that and I'm not going to be like really looking at it closely, like, oh, did you put a semicolon or did you do this? Did you do that? I'm looking for a general formatting consistency. And so if yours does not have that, then I probably noted that in my feedback to you. And going back to what I started to say, while I didn't grade for in-text citations and references and also APA formatting in all your assignments leading up to assignment 8, that's certainly something that I would look at more closely and grade in assignment 8 and definitely assignment 9. And so this would be a good time at this point of the assignment 8 video to talk about assignment 8. Assignment 8, or something about assignment 8 that you should know. Assignment 8 is, if you look at the course syllabus, this is your first draft of your marketing plan paper, because if you recall, your earlier assignments are just working on this part of it, and then this part, and so on. Well, assignment 8, I'm looking at the whole thing now. And so I'll want you to work on your introduction paragraph at the very beginning if you have not already. It's really useful to revisit that if you already created something and look at it in the context of your entire paper, right? So you might want to revisit that or work on it now if you haven't. And then assignment 9 will be your final submission. So here, yet again, related to what I talked about a couple of videos ago, where I talk about my teaching philosophy, well, I give you yet one more chance to make edits to your paper before you really turn in the final piece. And so I'll be looking at everything at this point, including whether you use in-text citations and references, if you use enough references, and if you followed APA formatting. Going back to that assignment 4 overview video, so yeah, here it is right here. Take a look at that. And then in the assignment 4 instructions, there's also that link to the marketing paper template. So please take a look at that and ensure that you're following the format there. And that will lead me to the next video available in this playlist, which will be me talking about APA.